All right, so number 10, it asks what is the slope of a line whose equation is y equals 2x minus 10. Well, it's asking for the slope, and this is in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And we know that that m is the slope. So it's giving us the slope. It's saying the slope right here is 2, so that's letter G. Number 11 says, what value of x makes the equation true? Now, if you want to, you could plug all these values in one at a time until one of them gets both sides equal. That's going to take a long time with those fractions in there. So what I'd rather do is just solve it. Whenever you have a number touching parentheses, you've got to distribute. That's going to be 2x plus 6 equals 8x minus 12. And I'm sorry that was originally a 3. I kind of wrote over it and made it into 2. So if you missed it because you thought it was 13, I'm sorry. I hope that it fixes now. Now, we've already distributed. Combine like terms. Look on the left. Nope. Look on the right. Nope. So now we're going to start moving numbers. I like my numbers on the right, so I'm going to move 6. Now I'm going to move my x's over. And then last, divide by that coefficient. And I got x equals 3, which is answer C. Now, on number 12, it just says solve it. On this one, it's a little bit harder to plug in because the values are all really close together. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and start to solve it. Remember, whenever you see a number touching parentheses, distribute. So multiply that, multiply that. So I'm just going to write out my left side so I keep my spacing. 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Now I'm going to move my numbers to one side. So I'm going to add 26. So I get 7x is greater than 9x plus 20. Now I'll move my x's to the other side. I get negative 2x is greater than 20. Now, if you move your x's over, you wouldn't have to flip symbols. But remember, whenever we have a final step of multiply or divide, if there's a negative on the bottom, we're going to have to take our sign and flip it. So this sign is going to go this way now. Those cancel, we'll get x is less than, and we should get negative 10, which is answer A. Alright guys, I hope this review was helpful. If there were any problems you really struggled with, look through the old videos, go through some old notes, do some studying. This chunk test is going to reflect how much work you put in. So if there's something on here that didn't make a lot of sense, or if you want some more practice, look up some old videos, look up some practice, go to Khan Academy, take ownership of your learning, okay? I want everybody to do their best on Wednesday. Alright?